Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E6S, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this Motorola. Begin by opening tab menu. Now you need to look for location icon, and when you find it, click on it. If you can't find it over here, tap on this pen one at the bottom right corner. Look for it here, hold it and drag it. Then place it wherever you wish to and let go. After that, click on the top left corner. Now click on it. And as you can see, after that, location of my Motorola is off. But you can always turn it back on by tapping on the same icon again. If you want to, you can always go into settings instead. Scroll all the way down and look for location section. In this case, security and location. Now tap on location and click on this switcher to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!